Hey friends, I recently noticed a very welcome change that the Bing search bar appears on the desktop screen itself. I mean, it is lightened so it doesn't interfere with the interface and all, but it appears here. So it just happened after an update, and I say it's a welcome update. I'll tell you later why. Now, let me try to search something on it. I'll search Bing appearing on desktop. Okay, let's see what Bing has to say about it. So it is appearing on the desktop, and maybe people will also start commenting on it very soon. Now, here's why I say Bing is much better than Google these days, because if you start searching Google for issues, let's say, what do we say, WSAPPX, high CPU usage. Okay, it will show all of these forum links on the top, and I actually tried that. It is trying to prioritize Reddit and Quora and all, but that's not the case with Bing. Bing is giving authority. I mean, Bing is giving preference to websites like makeuseof.com and thewindowsclub.com and all. So it does share forum links, but it shares other links even more, and then it gives a variety of results for people to choose on. First of all, it will give all the solutions here, and for example, it picked up these solutions from Windows report, and then on the right hand side it shows solutions associated with YouTube. I mean, you can open YouTube for it. While if you check through Google search results, it is quite bland. They have left a lot of space on the right hand side open. I don't know why they are doing it, but they are. So I welcome this new change, and this will be very helpful. Lately, Bing is a good search engine. It isn't what it used to be. It has improved a lot, and as of present, I consider it better than Google. You must have also experienced the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.